sklearn cluster HDBSCAN. Description: hierarchical density-based spatial clustering of applications with noise. HDBSCAN is an unsupervised clustering algorithm that groups together points that are closely packed together. Points with many neighbors and marks as outliers points that lie alone in low-density regions. Called noise. It builds a hierarchy of clusters and allows for more flexibility in cluster selection compared to DBSCAN. Inputs: data points, a numerical array or matrix representing the data points to be clustered. Minsamples: the minimum number of samples or neighbors in a neighborhood for a data point to be considered as a core point. Outputs: cluster labels, an array of integer labels assigned to each data point indicating its cluster. Membership: points belonging to the same cluster have the same label. And noise points are labeled as -1. Hierarchical clustering tree dendrogram: a visual representation of the clustering process, showing how clusters are merged at different levels of similarity. Steps: compute minimum spanning tree. Constructs a minimum spanning tree on the data points based on their pairwise distances. Find cluster hierarchy: iteratively removes edges with the largest weight from the minimum spanning tree, creating a hierarchy of clusters. Metrics: silhouette coefficient measures the quality of clustering by evaluating how similar a data point is to its own cluster compared to other clusters. Kalinske-Haraba's index measures the ratio of between cluster variance to within cluster variance, with higher values indicating better clustering. Visualization plots: scatter plot with cluster labels, a scatter plot of the data points, color-coded by cluster membership, to visualize the resulting clusters and noise points. Dendrogram: a tree-like diagram that visualizes the hierarchical structure of clusters, showing how clusters are merged at different levels of similarity. Fine-tune parameters: minsamples controls the density threshold for identifying core points. A larger minsamples value requires a higher density for a point to be considered a core point. Cluster selection: epsilon determines the level of the hierarchy at which clusters are extracted. A smaller epsilon leads to more clusters and a larger epsilon leads to fewer clusters. Uncertainty methods: probabilistic clustering assigns probabilities to cluster memberships instead of hard assignments. Challenges and fixes: sensitive to minsamples. Use domain knowledge or visualization to estimate appropriate values for minsamples. Perform grid search or other parameter tuning techniques to find optimal values. Difficulty finding optimal parameters. Use visualization techniques, e.g. k-distance plot to help determine appropriate values for minsamples. Consider using relative neighborhood graphs or other density-based methods for parameter estimation. Cannot handle varying densities as effectively as DBSCAN. Consider using local scaling techniques or other density-based algorithms that can handle varying densities.